how to draw Among Us character, but as Dream. Just as Mighty Mr. Beast says, if you don't watch till the end, I'll delete your Minecraft account. Quickly before we start, this is a disclaimer. I have myself reduced the exposure of the video so you guys can see the lines better and related to the shapes. It is very easy. Just firstly draw an N and then naturally square it out, and you'll get the point of how to draw.
She's right there, I can't deny the beauty before my eyes. I can't help but fall in line, 'cause there's truth in her lies. Once again, I've lost my way, chasing cars and wasting days. Am I here to pass your time? 'Cause all I see are blurred lines. Am I just chasing dreams? Is this not what it seems? Have I read between the lines? Those blurred lines, those blurred lines. Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Chasing dreams. Is this real or am I chasing dreams? I must be blind to think that I could steal her heart and change her mind. Fantasy, I realize that there's truth in her lies. Once again, I've lost my way, chasing cars and wasting days. Am I here to pass your time? 'Cause all I see are blurred lines. Am I just chasing dreams? Is this not what it seems? Have I read between the lines? Those blurred lines, those blurred lines. Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams?
You tried your best to keep me on your mind, but I know all the things you meant when you said that we're fine. I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons needed something. I won't be leaving you open, that I'm yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing. Spending all that time just running. I'm off my conscience. Missing places I feel lost, and that was you. But I'm ready to lose that too. Knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons need a Sunday. I won't be leaving you open and yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing, spending all that time just running. But I'm alright, don't miss you much these nights, don't want And I don't know where you go, don't need to know more than let this go. Let me get this off my conscience. Missing places I feel lost, and that was you. But I'm ready to lose that too. Knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons need a Sunday. I won't be leaving you open and I'm yours.
If you made it till the end, first off, thank you. Second off, if you liked the video, why don't you slightly caress the like button and subscribe to the channel? Maybe comment down below what you want me to draw next. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Corpse as a Among Us character coming soon. Bye bye.
You are dangerous and crazy.